Last week, the Texas Senate passed a couple of bills that aim to bolster border security. Now in the House, immigration experts are concerned how at least one of the bills could potentially infringe on federal law. KENS 5 reporter Zach Briggs explains.
Senate Bill 11 gives state police the ability to arrest migrants who failed to enter Texas through authorized points of entry. Offenders face a misdemeanor charge, although it could be upgraded depending on the defendant's criminal past. Supporters say the bill aims to enhance safety in border regions in response to concerns by landowners, residents, and businesses.
I don't believe that this bill is actually going to become the law of the land that prevails.
Immigration attorney Gerardo Menchaca says this type of legislation is nothing new and would likely be challenged in the courts if passed.
Every 2 years, you hear proposals of law similar to this one, not just in Texas, but throughout many states. And in the end, they end up not becoming law because they are stepping on the toes of federal immigration law, which is forbidden by the Supreme Court.
House lawmakers also debating this week SB 4, which aims to increase penalties for human smugglers and stash house operators. We're talking 5 to 10-year minimum sentences if convicted of felonies.
Black supports going after human traffickers and people who engage in exploiting and abusing immigrants, either as slave labor or sex trafficking or anything like that. And we believe that's a good way to try to put a stop to that.
But as waves of migrants continue their journey to the U.S., human rights advocate Domingo Garcia with LULAC fears the consequences of SB 11 going into effect.
They're not trying to evade, they're trying to apply for asylum. But when you make it a crime, they know they're going to go to jail.
Zach Briggs, KENS 5.